Hello students, welcome to RH Chemistry. So just now the MCC has released a new link for this year 2020 counseling, All India counseling. So for that what you have to do, in the Google, in the any browser, in the Google you type MCC like this. So then you will see this particular website. So just click on that particular website. So directly we will see these three. Then UG medical counseling you have to click on. Then in this particular page here you can see new registration, right? So just you click on that new registration. So after that you can see here candidate registration, what all the things required. See, roll number you have to enter compulsory. The roll number, application number, name, mother's name, date of birth as printed in your NTA rank letter. The same thing you have to type here. Roll number, application number, candidate's name, mother's name. See, date of birth you have to put mobile number. So very important, the mobile number should be active. Mobile number should be active till all those rounds get over. Right, because important updates they can send you to mobile number, or every time when you log in this particular website you may need some OTP to enter. Because of that reason, so mobile number should be active and it is compulsory. Then the email ID, correct email ID you have to enter. Then this security pin, whatever it is given, that you have to enter it here. Then you put submit button, you click on the submit button. So that after that it will show you different windows, like which counseling you want to participate, whether it is All India counseling or whether it is deemed university. Select those. If you want to opt for deemed university, then you have to pay for 2 lakh rupees plus 5,000 rupees as the non-refundable security amount, right? If you are participating the All India counseling, then you have to pay 10,000 rupees, right? 10,000 rupees plus refundable, that is non-refundable 1,000 rupees for general merit. So SC ST if it is 500 rupees and 5,000 rupees under this 10,000. So this you have to put, and then they will ask you to enter the correct account number, because account details are required only when if these amounts to be refunded. And it will be refunded in the same account number from where it is deducted. Because of that reason, if you use the card, you have to give the card details. If you use internet banking, you have to use the internet banking. So another very important information I will tell you, that is, please use, remember for this, please use your laptop or computer, which means desktop. So, or you can go to some this cyber center, you can do. And my suggestion is, don't use mobile for this. Don't use mobile for this. The reason for that is, remember, if sometime this particular website is not suitably open in this particular mobile, so because of that reason it may hang in between. So because of that, so please use internet in your computer or laptop. Right? This is about how to log in and everything. After this, another important another important information I will give you. So remember, this particular seat matrix column you can see, right? Seat matrix column. Before that, I am going to tell you another important thing. So most of you are having a routine that whatever you do, you put up in the status of your WhatsApp. So for that, what we will do, whatever the new registration you have done, that complete page, whatever the page you will see at the end, your registration number will be there, your this date of birth, roll number, everything it will be there. That photo you will put up in the status of WhatsApp. So please don't do this. Remember, it is highly confidential. Please don't do such things after your registration when it get completes. It's a very, very important request from my side. So don't do that. Putting that printout in the status or choice filling form, by taking the printout of that choice filling from preference order, putting up in the status. So it is not at all good from because of those reasons you may lose that particular seat. Because of that reason I am requesting you, don't do such things. Then directly we'll go to seat matrix. So here this year seat matrix, it is given very detailed manner. Just you click on that seat matrix, then you can see in the seat matrix all these seat matrix you can observe, right? So here see final seat matrix for round 1. R1 means round 1 AIQ MBBS, deemed MBBS, that is Delhi University, and VMMC ABVIMS MBBS. R1 that is round 1 All India Quota BDS, round 1 deemed university BDS, round 1 deemed university and IPESIC college BDS. So Jamia BDS, BHU MBBS, all those things, right? At the end, so AIMS MBBS and JIPMER MBBS also, the seat matrix is given. So completely you download wherever the chances are there to get the admission. So another important point I will tell you, whenever you do the choice filling, so if you want those college, which means if you get the seat in these round 1, round 2 like that, if you want to go to that particular college, then only you put that college name in the choice filling. What happens sometime, you will go on filling the choices which you may not, which you don't want to go to that particular college. In that case, if you get the seat, if the seat is allotted to you, and if you don't take the admission in the round 2 at the end of that, simply you have to lose the whole security deposit. Because of that reason, while making a choice filling, you have to be very smart, right? So for example, you will prefer only Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra. Only fill only these colleges, the colleges situated in present in this Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra in your choice filling. Don't go for whatever the colleges present in the all over India. So please make a smart choice filling and definitely will get the seat if your score is good. So all those seat matrix you can see, you can download this, you can study this, because you have another 6 days time to fill the choices. Hence don't be in hurry. ಇವತ್ತೇ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅನದರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 days, do research on this, then you put the choice filling. If your score is good, then definitely you will get the seat, right? So be smart in these things and don't share these whatever the information it is there in the registration form to anyone. That is my request. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.